Hello, medical students. This is all about the new regulation introduced by the National Medical Commission as notified in the Government Gazette dated 18/11/2021. MBBS interns who are all going to commence their internship on or after 18/11/2021 will be governed by this regulation. There are some new classes added in this regulation and the contents are exhaustive. Prior to this new regulation, the medical interns are governed by the Medical Council of India GME 97 regulation. First, it can be observed that the nomenclature of the internship is renamed as CRMI instead of CRRI. Interns, after completing the period of internship, must ensure that the completion certificate is issued in the new title CRMI by the institution and not as CRRI. The completion of duration of internship is within 2 years from the commencement. Any extended postings will be dealt by the concerned institution level on genuine reasons. Further, there is no option to do the internship in some other medical institutions as was done earlier within the state or outside the state. The whole part must be done in the institution where the candidate completed this medical MBBS studies. Intern shall be permitted a maximum of 15 days leave with prior permission during the entire period of internship. This is called a normal leave. The entire period cannot be availed during any 1 or 2 weeks applicable to a single department of the postings. Women interns can be allowed maternity leave according to prevailing rules of the state government. Male interns can avail for 2 weeks of paternity leave either in continuation or in intervals of 1 week each with 1 year of internship. Medical leave shall be included within the 15 days of normal leave. Any medical leave beyond this period shall be recommended only by a constituted medical board. The internship will be extended if the leave of absence of any kind exceeds beyond this period. The period of extension shall be equivalent to the period beyond permissible 15 days of leave. Apart from regular postings, departmental postings such as general medicine, general surgery like that, 1 week training in any Indian system of medicine can be opted as elective postings. In case if the college does not have the facilities, the electives in Ayush, an MOU with any government institution in the same town city can be established. All interns shall be paid stipend as fixed by the appropriate authority applicable to the institution, university or state. Finally, after completing the internship, the final score of the internship will be rated as outstanding, good, average or need further training. This is a skill-based training. The students must ensure not to skip any training in any postings of the department. This is the advisory.